Good morning. Happy day 155, I think, of day trading the stock market. Open the small cash account. Major technical difficulties this morning. I accidentally saved over my entire dash settings when I was editing some hotkeys yesterday. So, got it up and running about 10 seconds to spare. Let's not let it get to us though today. Not too much going on though, so we'll wait. You know, I watched Ross's first day of his small account challenge, and it definitely provides more motivation, because I know I get in these kind of times where it's just kind of going through the motions, red days, green days, whatever. But it's like, I need to, I understand he goes by his 5 pillars, and then, yes, he uses margin. I don't use margin, but I mean, I have enough money in this account that I could really go for a trade if I felt it was worth going for. But the fact is, I need to wait for the setups instead of just because right now it's just I'm just kind of playing around, right? I'm playing around in because I'm not over PDT, so I feel like I can't really make a real impact on my account. So I feel like I'm just kind of, lollygagging around at this whole situation for now. But after watching that video, it's I have plenty of money in my account. I could attack these stocks if I really wanted to, but I have to wait for the right setup. I don't have the ability to wake up at 6 a.m. due to some other things I have in the way schedule-wise. So I can't jump on momentum right when it comes, which means I have to sit here and wait for the open and wait for something to prove itself. Speaking of which, SLE is trying to halt it up. But I need to, I'm supposed to be building my fundamentals so where I get my margin, I open my margin, I'm able to fire without any hesitation, just boom, 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 boom. That's what we got to get back to. That's what we got to get back to. Got to get back to taking clear front side trades, momentum. Otherwise, just delaying the inevitable of it taking longer to get to PDT. What's the news here on SLE? Super League shares are trading higher after the company announced a private placement financing and investment Evo fund. What's an Evo fund? Oh, investment from Evo fund. Gotcha. Okay, cool. 168%. 1 million shares outstanding. Let's check the short float just for the heck of it, since we're already, since it's already halted up, we got time. But I feel calm. I know I've taken a lot of red days. I feel calm about it. It's not impacting me psychologically at all, other than I need to just, if I sit down, I need to get laser focused on the task. What is that task? Simple. Trade big front side. And don't be afraid when you see the front side that you need to start jumping. Can't win if you don't trade. Short float, 12%. Interesting. Interesting, SLE. GLTO. IPDN. These stocks are so far behind VWAP. It's not pretty. So I gave myself that nice motivational speech, and now I have to watch all these stock price action do price action without me because they're so far off of front side. It's not worth trading. This could get interesting. IBG. But again, see, look at that beautiful front side here. We're not seeing anything like this at the open. Look at this, where it just rides momentum. And you know what else I've fallen into? And I just mentioned it, is I'm getting afraid of the front side. Why am I getting afraid of the front side? Am I getting afraid of the front side because it's not the perfect ideal setup? I think I just need to take it, because I oftentimes find myself after this nice front side happens, and then I'm like, oh, here's our first pullback. Well, yeah, well, look, the first pullback, and then MACD rolls over. It's like micro pullback here, another pullback, and then done. So it's like, if you're going to wait that long, it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard. Oh, lower band. Oh, it's halted down. Bummer. Sorry about you, IBG. So we're gonna get back in the swing of things. It's all right. It's all right. Right now, like a $200 L is only about 2% of the account size. So in the grand scheme of things, it's okay. But that doesn't mean I should be. It doesn't mean I should be building bad habits. So again, this is what I'm supposed to be trying to build good habits into the PDT. So let's get it. And that's why I haven't traded yet this morning, because there's nothing for me to trade. There's no setups that are good for me to trade. So we'll wait until something pops up. And until it does, your boy is chilling. This is halted up. You would think, hey, that's a good, oh, here it is. That's a good setup. But look how far off it is of VWAP. Is it tradable? Yes. Is it volatile? Yes, which means it's tradable. Is there range? Yes, which means there's opportunity. But if we're going to throw darts at a dartboard, we got to make the dartboard as large as physically possible, which means we need to wait for the front side. Makes it the most easiest for me to hit a good dart. And I'm just kind of giving myself pep talks here. I'm not trying to inspire the nation. Shock the nation, baby. This thing's going to halt down. 795. Let's have a celebration. Celebrate. I think I like these a little bit bigger. Let's check out 12. Yeah, 12's okay. Let's have a celebration. Celebrate. We can go to 11 here. What's this at? Got to be changing all these things now. Okay, IPDN. Trying. It's riding EMA. Technically the MACD's on front side, but zoom out. We're on a big backside move. Zoom in and it's a new front side. The market open's been brutal, man. Did any of these do anything pre-market? That's a tough trade in pre-market for SLE. Yeah, GLTO. Plenty of opportunity there. Pre-market kind of choppy, but opportunity nonetheless. Same for IPDN. Once this thing got in a range, look at that chop fest. Moved up, chop, 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 chop. That's BETR. This one shouldn't even be in my scanners because it's so heavily priced. Talk about, moving. DXF? What is DXF? Why haven't we seen it yet? Nothing going on with DXF. Gelato, IPDN, Hollow, yeah. Gotta work with what we got, I guess. Oh, baby, SLE. Oh, we already knew that was halted down. My bad. My bad, y'all. IPDN, show us the way, baby. I can show you the world. I'll take a lower band, though. I will. I'll take the backside lower band. 389 halt down. Lower band at 4-ish. IBG back open. Nice bounce. Holy smokes. Halt down's now 83 cents for IBG. Okay. We're still just waiting. SLE with the open. Buyers there on IBG. Trying to hold that. The buyers are trying to hold that dollar. Dollar bills, y'all. Come on down, IPDN. I welcome the flush. I will welcome the flush. IBG, I don't know how I feel about your flush, though. Interesting what's happening with MACD here, though, for IBG. I mean, is it going to start curling or not? SLE smacked off a VWAP. Ooh, I want to try my new hotkey. I forgot about that. I do want to try the new hotkey. The new hotkey's supposed to work like profit at plus 30 cents and panic sell at negative 10 cents. So, you know, we'll see. Let's get it, IBG. Let's get it, baby. 121. Maybe I try this hotkey for IBG. It's not really meant for dollar stocks. It's more so meant for this like $8, $7, $8, $10 stocks. Dun, 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 dun. There you go, IBG. Get you some. Need 120. That also might mean, you know, after the monologue that I had at the beginning, that also might mean I have to trade longer. I have to sit here longer, which I'm not thrilled about because, like, ooh, possible halt up 121. Let's get it halted up. Let's get it halted up, baby. Lock it in. There you go. That boy, locked in. All right, locked in on 124. Now we got to start mapping out some stuff here. Let's check on short interest. SLE, possible halt down. Oh, it's a beverage company? No, say it ain't so. Non-binding letter of intent for a merger transaction with Block Fuel Energy, a company announced a 5-for-1 reverse stock split. Okay, dog. Short float. Almost zero. Does that work? Okay. IBG is up 230% now. Got another crypto treasury PR here for SILO. Company announced it signs a strategic agreement with Fireblocks to advance its crypto treasury strategy acquisition. Let's keep this on watch. SLE is trying. Give us some crypto treasury love, ya boy. Whoa, what happened there? Red candle. All right, it was a pop and drop, so nope, go back. Got a minute 55 left for IBG. I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Chips ahoy for your boy. Back. All-time highs for the Qs, just ripping, baby. 40 seconds for IBG. EMA 108. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Obi Trice. Okay. So is that, this is, no, let's not talk ourselves out of it. The MACD is about to start going. This thing is possibly start buzzing. We took the little dip and rip off that EMA, VWAP area. This candle might get gross though. What's all down? 108's all down. Oh, no. It was so promising for such a short period of time. It's not locked in yet. Level 2's looking funky down here. I don't know what's going on with this. Just get ready just in case it doesn't lock in. What's going on here? This thing's tweaking. It doesn't look like it's been locked, but I think it has been. Weird. Tweaking and tweaking. All right, well. Happy with that trade. Would have been better if I would have capitalized on that 5-cent move. I ended up only getting like 3 cents out of it, but it's all right. Ooh, SLE, baby. SLE trying to get above 10. I want to try the new hotkey. EMA 924. That's a fake out above 10 there. The name of the game for me now is I just have to increase accuracy, really. I mean, and that's the idea of trading the front side, is just increasing accuracy. It happens to me when I start having the ability to take more trades. I'm more like, if this one doesn't work out, I always got another one. If this one doesn't work out, I always got another one. That's a dangerous mindset for me, because then I end up just kind of $40 here, $40 there, $40 there, and next thing you know, it's like negative 200 like it was yesterday. Which again, grand scheme of things doesn't really matter, but it's not good fundamental. $30. To 08. Nice green volume on these last 3 candles, though. Come on down. I'm going to test this hotkey. Come on down to 950 Tyson, baby. Hotkey didn't work, but nice green trade. Actually, hotkey didn't work for real. I went double size that I thought I was about to take. Which is not great, right? But that says 150. Did I hammer that twice? Did I hammer that hotkey twice? What? I don't know. I gotta figure out this hotkey. I should probably figure out the smaller stock. Either that or I'm gonna overdraft the account and they're gonna be big mad. Should hit it right around here though. Wonder why I doubled the order. Gelato in the lower band. IBG open, new halt down 90 cents. It's racing towards it. Dollar holding, trying to. All right, we got ask plus 3, 150 shares. Buy, send, trigger, order, stop price with an average cost plus 30. Account, sell, half. Buy equals send, trigger, order, stop type. Limit stop price, -10. Account, sell. Oh, lower band. What's halt down? 86. I should have taken that lower band right there. Talk about grooving. SLE. Bear trap maybe? Nope. I'm hesitant with this hotkey now because it's not working how it's supposed to be. Well, on a market open that's as slow as today, it's 902. Silo maybe gonna give it a run. Got a little bit of an ABCD formation here, but we're under VWAP. Get through 1005 SLE. You gotta move on. Boom. There's through 10. Maybe we should mess with 10 right here. $30 seconds until a new minute. But this hotkey's janky. I know this hotkey's janky. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. Is it gonna roll over or is it gonna go push 11? That's the question. What's BAIG? sucks. Silo, no love for Silo, BKKT. It's a lot of green there. Hollow, wasn't that a previous runner? There's 50 on the ask, and on the bid, I mean. This is the area where it got smacked last time. Is it gonna blast through or what? You know what? Let's just try to change the hotkey real quick. How about that? There's 11. We're gonna get here. Boom, baby. Oh, ping pong again. Yeah, that's so weird. It's... Wait, that time it worked? It did work that time! Let's go, baby! But why did it say... Again, it sent double shares. It sent double shares. Why is it sending double shares? I gotta figure out why it's sending double shares. Looks like the ask is like baiting the buyers. That's weird. It's like flying up to 22 when bids are down at 11. It's probably not great. Not a great sign. 75, 70, EMA there at just about now. VWAP 994, halt down 967. Okay, the unfortunate thing with this is it's cuts it so tight. The 10 cents that I have. Oh, that's weird. All right, I went. But why do I still have 50 shares? Right now, if you can't tell, I'm just kind of playing with this hotkey. How it's supposed to work is take profit at plus 30 and also have a sell order at minus 10. So I gotta figure out why it's sending double. It's sending a separate buy order instead of doing the two stop orders. Talk about. All right, well, that hotkey still has some work to be done. Nothing happened with Silo. All right, I think I'm gonna pack it up then. Unless this thing bear traps, I guess. Okay, so it sent double. My half orders didn't go. So that was a manual entry on that half order. $25 on the ask. All right, I'm out of here. Spread love, be good with each other. I got to figure out that hotkey a little bit. Ideally, in a perfect world, when I hit that hotkey, it should give me a limit sell order at plus 30 and a stop order at... Actually, that limit would turn into a stop order to sell half the position, but for whatever reason, it's adding to the position. So I got to figure that out. Anyways, up about $40 today. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Adios, muchachos.